Welcome to today's edition of Layoff and Employment News by Employment Boost. Today's date is Wednesday, May 17th, 2023. If you are an individual affected by a layoff, or if you are a company facing a reduction in force, click the link above now or in the description box below for more information about our firm's outplacement support services and how we can help you as an individual land on your feet faster and get into a new job as quickly as possible, or as an organization, how we can smooth the layoff process and assist with your reduction in force. Now, on to today's headlines. USAA, the banking and insurance giant based in San Antonio, is cutting around 300 positions after announcing its first ever loss in the 100-plus year history of the company. The company already laid off 475 employees at the end of March, but more layoffs are apparently needed. The laid off employees are spread out across USAA's functions and offices and will be provided assistance to find new roles both inside and outside the organization. Cook Medical, a medical device company based in Bloomington,